Hey guys, Allan Builds here, and today I'm gonna show you how to check and replace your windshield wiper blade for your vehicle. So let's get started. As you can see, this rubber rip, and also check the whole thing if there is deformation. If there is, the wiper blade won't be able to clean the windshield and has to change. In this case, I'm changing the driver's side wiper blade. This is longer than the passenger side wiper blade. I'll show you the passenger wiper blade. This is shorter compared to the other side. When you're buying yours, be specific which side you're replacing and consult your local parts store to find the right windshield wiper blades for your vehicle. This instruction is including when you're buying the windshield wiper blades, and you can follow these steps, and I'll show you as well. Just push this blade and this tab as well and slide this off. I'll show you in this side. Just push the blade and push the tab as well and slide this off. Just like that. I'll show you once more using only my left hand because my right hand holding the camera. Push this wiper blade and push this tab and slide this off. Just like that. That's a new one, guys. I'm gonna compare this the old ones. These are looks identical. So this is good to go. I'm gonna install this. Let's install the new one. The slide is on. Just like that. If you found this helpful, please share, like, and consider subscribing, and hit that bell notification so you are the first one to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks guys. Till then, stay safe.